Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon Q CLI. First, understand that Amazon Q CLI provides a command line interface for interacting with Amazon Q, a generative AI assistant. It allows developers to manage applications, data sources, and retrieve information directly from your terminal. This tool streamlines development workflows by enabling programmatic access to Amazon Q's capabilities, making it easier to integrate into your existing systems and automation scripts. We'll cover installation, basic commands, and advanced usage. To begin, you'll need to install the Amazon Q CLI. This typically involves using pip, Python's package installer, with a command like pip install Amazon CLI. After installation, configure your AWS credentials. You can do this by running configure and providing your access key ID, secret access key, default region, and output format. Ensure your IAM user or role has the necessary permissions to interact with Amazon Q services, granting access to create, list, and manage resources effectively. Once configured, you can start using essential Amazon Q commands. For instance, to create a new Amazon Q application, you might use Q create application name, my new app. To list your existing applications, simply run Q list applications. These commands allow you to manage your Amazon Q resources directly from your terminal. Remember to consult the official documentation for specific parameters and options, ensuring you tailor commands to your exact needs for efficient operation. For advanced usage, consider integrating Amazon Q CLI with other AWS services, such as Lambda or CloudFormation, to automate complex workflows. Best practices include using least privilege for IAM roles, regularly updating your CLI to the latest version for new features and security patches, and leveraging configuration files for consistent settings. Always refer to the comprehensive Amazon Q documentation for detailed examples and troubleshooting tips, ensuring you maximize the utility and security of your generative AI assistant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.